Hello viewers, today we are talk about Leon Kroll. 1884 to 1974 was an American painter renowned for his ability to capture the beauty of everyday life through his masterful use of color and composition over his long career. Kroll gained recognition as a painter of landscapes, cityscapes, nudes, and still life, with works characterized by their vibrant realism and expressive depth. Born in New York City on 6 December 1884, Kroll grew up in a culturally rich environment that nurtured his artistic ambition. His father was a musician, and the art were his significant part of his upbringing. Kroll's formal artistic training began at the Art Student League of New York, where he studied under the influential painter John Tannery. He later traveled to Paris, immersing himself in the world of European art. There he enrolled at the Accademia Julian, a prestigious art school, and became inspired by the works of old masters and modern French painters. Kroll's artistic journey began to gain momentum in the early 20th century when he exhibited his works at the National Academy of Design in 1906. His early paintings revealed a strong connection to Impressionism, but over time his style evolved into a more personal form of realism by blending traditional techniques with modern sensibilities. Kroll carved out a unique space in the art world. He became especially known for his depiction of the human figure, often painting nude subjects with a scene of dignity and grace. His landscapes too were celebrated for their ability to convey the atmosphere and vitality of the places he depicts. Kroll painting scenes running from bustling urban street to serene rural visit, showcasing his versatility and deep appreciation for the world around him. Throughout his career, Kroll received numerous accolades and held several prestigious positions. In 1920, he was elected to the National Academy of Design as an associate academician and became a full academician in 1927. He also received the Carnegie Prize in 1920 for his exceptional contribution to American art. Kroll was commissioned to create large-scale martial, including those for the Department of Justice in Washington, D.C., and the Indiana State Library. This work demonstrated his ability to work on a grand scale while maintaining his signature attention to detail and humanistic themes. Krauss's style was rooted in realism but created an emotional resonance that set his work apart. His painting often reflected a deep sense of connection to his subjects. Whether they were people, natural landscapes, or urban environments, his use of light and color added vibrancy to his work, giving it a timeless appeal. Although he was influenced by European masters like Cezanne and Renoir, Kroll maintained a distinctly American perspective in his art. He celebrated the diversity and vitality of American life, capturing both its grandeur and intimacy. Leon Kroll's contribution to our world were significant, and his work remain an essential part of American art history. Today, his paintings are displayed in major museums, including the Metropolitan Museum of Art